Hello, 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 hello. Hey guys, Nishant here. So I am here today to talk about something, and that is what is Code Llama? Code Llama. So, what is it? If I search it on Google, let me do that. So, we are having this article on my screen that I can see. Maybe you can too. Introducing Code Llama, an AI tool for coding. Basically, just like ChatGPT, we are having a new tool called Code Llama that is built specially for coding. So, if I read this, or maybe you can, it has in three sizes 7 billion, 13 billion, and 34 billion. And each of models have been trained with 500 billion params and token and blah blah. What they are, you know what they are. So we can use to generate code. I mean, we can generate code for Python, CPP, Java, PHP, TypeScript, and so on. Read all of these and let's see which one of them is better. ChatGPT, not 4, 3.5 because I don't have ChatGPT 4, I can say in here, and Code Llama that have been installed on RunPod. Basically, it's a thing that I will show you sometime later, not in this video. Okay, let me write something like write me a Python code to generate numbers from 1 to 1000. Click generate in here. First, let me copy this prompt and we have to write the exact steps that we have written here. Below is an instruction that describes a task. Write a response that completes the request. So we are getting two results. First one is this one. So I mean this one. Let me print it in the VS Code. So if I clear this, so let me print this in here. Let me run python3 test.py, enter. We have 100 numbers. Okay, so we have typed 1000, but we are getting only 100 numbers. That's a flaw. Let me do same thing in ChatGPT 3.5. So I guess I just have to copy and paste. Then enter. Maybe this needs to be trained. So this also gives the same thing, but the number or the larger limit is not 101, it is 1001. So if I clear this, enter, it will give till 1000. It also has a second code base, I mean code that prints all the numbers in a single line. If we want to have them on a single line or same line, we can use this one, this code. Yes. So in this case, ChatGPT wins and Code Llama fails. I don't know. I thought it was something because I have seen videos of this and I can say I am disappointed. Okay, next test should I write is to have create a to-do list using JavaScript. So let me copy this one, click generate, and the same thing I can do in here. Let's see who runs first and who finishes last. Okay, this is not getting the question, I think. Create an empty array called to-dos to store your to-dos or tasks. Maybe I need to switch to alpaca with input. Now click generate. Let me go back. Okay, what can we do here? What happened if I try again to QA? Okay, let me. This is a problem. So we have to add or write this exact steps. Let me remove this paired with an input from text and don't need input, so remove it. I just need to add the instruction of what we want to do. So if I write this again, so in the ChatGPT one, we have finished our creation of our to-do list using this JavaScript file add task and maybe remove task somewhere. No, we don't have remove. We have delete button. Okay, we have to run it to check. So create a to-do list using JavaScript. Let me generate this one. It is giving us the steps, not the code exactly. So I can say code a to-do list using JavaScript. Okay, now we are getting it. So we are having tasks, which is an array. We have function of adding tasks into this tasks array. We have remove based on index and slice. We can display them, and that is only that we are having in here. If I write the same thing in here, I hope we get the entire code, not just JavaScript code. So this is precise, but this is robust. I mean, you know what I mean. No, that was not what I mean. Okay, so let's give it something like write a Python script to generate a snake game. Okay, generate it. We need to import these things. It stops in between. That is the flaw of this one. So if I generate this in ChatGPT, what will happen? Let's see. It will work. Maybe it will not. We need to install Pygame as based on instructions. We need to create a grid, width and height, colors. We need to do this. I'm not good in Python, but fine. If we press left or right, down or up, it will go up, down, left or right. These are the steps. We can run this. Let's try this. And first we have to install Pygame. So pip install Pygame. Enter. Downloading. Download it. Copy this code. Replace it in here. So let's run the game. Python 3 test.py. Yes, it is working. Okay, it is very fast. So I guess need to, if I touch the borders of the, if I touch the borders, it will go away. Okay, what? Let me try again. It is very fast. Yes, it's working. I can play it all day long. And okay, I am not good at this game, so it's fine. So this is how it runs in ChatGPT, and this has been failed. Import pygame random time. Fine. If I go to markdown and click render, what will happen? Yes, now it is still incomplete. So yes, you can go to markdown, click render to render it as a code and then copy it. But in ChatGPT, we are having it as default, not as text. So this is a good thing for, I guess, maybe not. I don't know what I'm saying. So we can write a poem as well. Let's try write me a beautiful poem on life. Copy this, generate it here, add this here, generate it here as well. What will happen? Let's see. Life is a grand tapestry, blah blah. There or here, what is happening? Let me see. Life is like a beautiful flower with colors and shapes, and so this is how we generate a poem in ChatGPT and in LLAMA. So, as per my experience, LLAMA is still in training, but ChatGPT is working so better than LLAMA. ChatGPT wins.